Do you consider yourself a connoisseur of luxury chocolates? Welcome to a world where indulgence meets sophistication, a realm that transcends the ordinary and ventures into the extraordinary, a place where the simple cocoa bean transforms into an art form. This is the world of luxury chocolates. Here, every morsel tells a story, every nibble is a journey. We're about to embark on an exploration like no other, the opulent, the decadent, the exquisite, sparkling champagne truffles. Today we dive into the world of sparkling champagne truffles. These delectable treats have a history as rich as their taste. Born in the culinary heart of France, sparkling champagne truffles quickly enamored the palates of high society, their effervescent delight shrouded in intrigue and luxury. From their inception, these treats were destined for greatness. What goes into making these luxurious chocolates? The ingredients are nothing short of top tier. We're talking about rich dark chocolate, heavy cream, and of course the star of the show, exquisite champagne. Everything starts with melting the chocolate and cream together. Then it's time to mix in that bubbly champagne, creating a ganache that's both smooth and effervescent. After cooling and shaping, each truffle is dusted with a touch of edible gold glitter for that final sparkle. Each sparkling champagne truffle is a testament to the art of chocolate making. Exclusivity, taste, and craftsmanship define the luxury of sparkling champagne truffles. Each truffle is a testament to the extraordinary, created from the finest cocoa beans and enhanced with the effervescence of top-tier champagne. But it's not just about the ingredients. The meticulous artistry involved in their creation, from the precision of the ganache to the final dusting of glittering sugar, elevates these truffles to the realm of the exquisite. Sparkling champagne truffles are more than just chocolates, they are an experience. Indulge in the luxury of sparkling champagne truffles this Christmas. Surrender to the decadence of these chocolates and let them elevate your festive celebrations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more delightful treats. Until next time, stay sweet.